What's up, y'all? It's Card Guy 365 back at it. I have a 15 card booster of the Magic the Gathering Oath of the Gatewatch. So let's open it up and see what we get. Alright. Let's see. First thing we get is an Eldrazi Aggressor. Okay. We have a Alpha Protector, a Mighty Leap, a Loom Larva, an Unnatural Endurance, a Pulse of Marusa, a Cinder Hellion, Waste, which is actually an awesome picture, Jar Island Avenger, Warden of Geometries, a Spattle Contortion, a Molten Glare, a Rune in Their Wake, the Oath of Gideon, a Plains card, which is another awesome picture, and a zombie. So that's what we got in this one, which is pretty awesome. I like the zombie. Alright. Not too bad. I appreciate y'all watching. And if you would like in this video, check out my other videos. Subscribe. That would be awesome. When I get 100 subscribers, I'm going to be giving away a 5 packs of 3 card boosters. Sorry. But yeah, I'll see y'all next time.